Hello. Today we're going to talk about structured data markup, or how to implement schema markup for rich search results. In our SEO guide about titles and meta descriptions in Gridbox, we already covered that search engines use the information entered in the title and description fields to display in search results. But in Google search results, you can display much more. In addition to the title and description, you can display ratings, reviews, prices, search bar, and much more. So, structured data markup is a piece of code with additional information about a page that is used by search engine crawlers to display rich search results. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to generate and add structured data markup to your Gridbox-based website. As an example, we'll add structured data markup for the blog post. First, we need to generate the code. For this, we will use the Markup Generator tool from Technical SEO, link you will find in the description below. In the first field, we need to select the type of structured data. In the dropdown, you will find different types, from events to store pages. We're generating structured data markup for blog, so we need to select Article. In the next field, select Type Blog Posting. In field Author Type, select Person. Now, copy generated code. Move to Gridbox dashboard, navigate to Blog. Open Post Settings, tab SEO, Schema Markup, and paste copied code. Now, we need to add values from Gridbox using data tags. The list of all available data tags you will find in the description. For headline, we'll use data tag page title. Please note that tags should be added inside quotes. For image, select page image tag. For author name, select author. Publisher name, select site name tag. For logo URL, paste link to logo. And the last one, date published, use start publishing tag. And don't forget to save the page. We have successfully added structured data markup to the blog post. To make sure that you did everything right, use Open Schema Markup Testing tool. Link you will find in the description below. Okay, today we have explored how to add structured data to Gridbox blog posts. In the same way, you can add schema markup for any other pages, and you can apply any available schema type. Enjoy!